6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi all, I thought I'd show you this puzzle storm. It's a lot of fun, puzzle storm. So it's about solving puzzles quickly, and we're in a race here situation. Okay, oh, I should have played bishop e6. That was an inaccuracy there. Okay, it's a great deal of fun. Okay, so here I think rook f7 and rook h4 here, and rook f7, and let's take on b8, and let's queen one of the pawns, and bishop e3. The check's nice, and here I think we need to keep up the checks, except I don't really know. Oh, it's a bit worrying. I'll try queen f4. We need to keep up the checks there. Yep, and here, okay, maybe, a3. I'm a bit confused about this one. Queen b3, for a moment. Okay, so here I think bishop d5, knight e7. Oh, that was wrong. Okay, and okay, so here check. Oh, okay, we managed to win that race. Let me just put my my cam on for another race. Okay, I'm going to put my cam now. Just setting up this. I need to adjust the template a little bit. If you want to check out my courses, by the way, yeah, there's a chess tactics one of particular interest. Let's put, I don't know, the cam, just put that there for the moment. I'll save this presentation for the puzzle storm in particular, puzzle race in particular. Okay, let's go to the next race. Hopefully it doesn't obscure anything
6,
important.
5,
okay.
4,
Hi there.
3, 2, 1,
let's do
0.
Again, so let's take. Oh, I have an idea that that's useful. Okay, and back row, fork. Okay, here. Oh, what's this about? Oh, that looks mysterious. Oh, check. Yes, just the check. Pin. Okay, so here c4 is useful. Back row theme. Back row theme. See, there's some common themes. Back row theme, kind of. Checkmate there. Let's avoid the pin exploitation. Let's win that piece. Let's win that queen. Let's win that rook. Oh, this is nice. I think d5 is nice for queen d5. Let's win this rook, I guess. Pass pawn. Material just generally. Okay, here is interesting. Oh, it looks a bit tricky, this one. Let's go for that. Okay. Okay, the check, and then g6, king's overloaded, h5 looks good. Okay, this looks plausible. Okay, I managed to, oh, okay, yeah, there's some, you can see people's, it's interesting, you can see, I think you can see people's ratings and stuff. So, oh, anonymous player, yeah, you can see people's ratings. Okay, let's try again.
7, 6,
2 or 3,
5,
maybe
4, 3,
I want to show you this.
2,
Amazing.
1,
it's good fun.
0.
Okay, so, okay, here I think let's pin the queen and checkmate there. Let's take that. Not a big deal. Forky, roux. Okay, let's whoa. I think we have to take Okay, and now here and here, and we got a check here, I believe. Okay, and here we can take on E8, and now take it here, and I think we can win that there, and we can win that there, and we can take here, and we can probably take here and win that. We could probably play check here and win that, and we could probably whoa, maybe take here. Is that forcing? No, got it wrong. Here I think we can win material, and here I think we can make on E8 or E7 or take the rook, even better. Or now I think just take on F6. Oh, I came second there. Oh, there's an IM. 2600 on bullet. Very dangerous IM. So yeah, very, very sharp.
7,
There's competition,
6,
guys. Okay, let's do
5,
one more for
4,
the round. There's competition.
2,
There's competition.
1,
Competition
0.
of ours. Okay. Let's try and get the speed up a bit. Okay, and get the speed up a bit. Need for speed. Need for speed. Need for speed. This is a bit positional. Okay, get a mating there. And here there's some. Ooh, take that. Okay, and mating. That's winning material. And ooh, the check. Does not do anything. Let's just do that. And what is this? Okay, B6. Oh, I thought it was overloaded. B7. Oh, wasn't sure about that. Okay. So here, I'm getting them wrong. Knight C4 and Rook D6 looks good. C8. Oh, the IM disappeared. Okay. One more for the road. Very addictive
5,
stuff. This very
4,
addictive stuff.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay. I'm playing black, am I? Just a bit confused there for a moment. And take that going off. And what's the meaning of this? Is it G6? Oh, I'm confused now. I'll just take here. Yes. And take the queen off. And game is interesting. And okay. And okay, it's a mate. Fork. Mate. Material. And material. And material. And check. And queen. And material. And H4. We'll take that. Oh, yeah. A bit confused about that one. And wow, that's a great score. That is a great score, 77 there.
7,
so these races
6,
are pretty tough.
5, 4,
Okay.
3,
That was a great score.
2, 1, 0.
Okay. Okay, we're going to win that. Rook or checkmate. And checkmate. And queen. And win the queen. Queen. And checkmate. And checkmate. And queen, I assume. Or win material. And here, oh, okay, let's take the rook. And queen f2. And let's win the queen. And let's play this. 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 And this. Whoa. And let's play this. And let's play this. Oh no! He just takes some rookie out. I see that now. Ooh. Okay. One last one. No, this is too addictive. This is too addictive.
6, 5,
Too addictive.
4,
Okay.
3, 2,
Okay.
1.
Okay. This is
0.
it. This is it. This is one last one. Oh, pre-moved. I pre-moved. Where's the queen? Lord my mate. Full pawn for the win. Ah. Oh. Back row mate. Let's take on f7 just to win the rook. Ending, win. Back row mate. Ooh. Take the queen. Okay, material. Okay. Ooh. Again. I don't know. What? Oh yes. Okay. Check. Let's take the queen. And let's make like that. And let's trap the queen. And let's, oh no, that was a bit quick. Oh. Wow. Wow. Some people are very, very strong tactically for their rating. That's incredible. Okay, one last
4,
one. Can I end
3,
on high? One last one.
2, 1, 0.
Let's just take off this pawn. Fork. And okay. And checkmate in there. Back row mate. And queen. Okay, fork. Okay, take. Pass pawns. Queening. I mean, whatever. Oh no, queen f5 there. I see queen f5 now in my mind's eye. And nice mating pattern. Okay. Oh no, getting them wrong. Getting them wrong. So, oh, getting low. I'm getting records wrong. Better stop here. After this, quitting, getting the queen. Okay, this is a classic checkmate. And what here? Oh. beaten by Play GM.
7, 6.
Okay.
5,
Just one more.
4,
Just one more.
3, 2.
That was just
1,
too close.
0.
Okay. Oh. Okay. That's amazing that. Oh, thought was in check there. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Oh, I'll just take it here. That's a nice mate. Let's win the queen, bishop, and take the rook, desperado, queen, and take this. And now, interesting, check here maybe. And now, this looks all a bit complicated, but anyway, queen, and okay, can we just take the queen? Oh, third! I'm getting worse now. I'm getting worse. Oh, 61 relative position, 62. Okay.
3, 2.
Can I win one race
1,
to stop this video?
0.
What happens here? Oh, use the rook. Use the rook. Okay. Uh-huh. And there's no check. Win check. Okay. Not too many options, surely. And better. Oh, okay. I think I can stop here. Very addictive stuff. Yeah, check out Puzzle Racer. It's on the Lead Chess, brilliant innovation. And also, can I just point out, if you join my team, I'll give the team link. There's a team tournament coming up. So if you look for community teams, you'll see Kingscrusher YouTube and Twitter somewhere. So try and join that if you can, because there's a team tournament coming up in a few days' time, March 26th, in 6 days' time. So already a bit assembling, but yeah, check out this team tournament as well. Okay, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Comments, questions, like, share, subscribe, it's all appreciated. And yeah, I think my tactics course can help. I mean, but this has got a real emphasis on speed. But if you want to check out my tactics course, it can help. Kingscrusher TV/chess tactics or tactics training. It can help this kind of thing. But this is really about speed. In a real game, you do want to take your time sometimes. Check out very carefully stuff. Okay, especially if you're going to sacrifice. It's very committal decision sometimes. So it's not all about speed in a normal game. Okay, thanks very much.